Studying materia medica is a boring, no? Ellen's keynotes, Boric Materia Medica. We all know these are all the very important books. Still, we feel so much boring because we forget even after reading so many times. Now, I'll read one medicine, Cantharis from Allen's keynotes, and I will tell you the same thing in a story form. Then you will notice how much impact it will create on your memory. Let's start and practically मैं आपको show करूँगी, ठीक है? Let me read this first from the Allen's keynotes. Cantharis, Spanish flies, physical generals, oversensitiveness of all parts, hemorrhages from the nose, mouth, intestines, genitals, and the urinary organs, pain, raw, sore, burning in every part of the body, internally and externally, with extreme weakness, disgust for everything, drink, food, and tobacco. Drinking every small quantities of water increases pain in the bladder. Next, gastrointestinal system, stool, passage of the white or the pale red tough mucus like scraping from the intestines with the streaks of a blood. Urinary system, constant urging to urinate, passing but a very few drops at a time, which mixed with the blood, sudden desire to urinate, and intense itching in the urethra. Intolerable urging before, during, after urination, violent pains in the bladder, burning, cutting pain in the urethra during the micturition, violent tenesmus and the strangury. The burning pain and the intolerable urging to urinate is the red stand of the Cantharis in inflammatory affections. Male reproductive system, bloody nocturnal emission, sexual desire increased in both sexes, preventing sleep, violent with excessive pain. Respiratory system, tenacious mucus in air passage. Compare Cantharis if physical symptoms are corresponded and so many skin symptoms and the relationship. So how much you can remember point by point? You can remember the whole thing when it comes to the exams, when it comes to the keynotes prescribing, especially in acute prescription, you should remember each and every keynote. Then only you can prescribe in acutes. Then only you can get good marks in exams. So practically and professionally in both ways means it is very important. So I will tell you the same thing in a story form. Then you will understand how easy it is if you remember the whole medicine in a story way, in a simple story. Let me tell you. So let's get started. This is the story of a Cantharis. He is a 20 years young man. He lives with his friends in the hostel. He lives with a couple of his friends with one doggy. He loves animals a lot. And that is the reason he pets the animals. And his friend says, why you are keeping the animals in the home? We are all bachelors. We are getting trouble to cook and all. Why you keep dog in the home? And other friend says, actually he has so much of a fear of a darkness. He has a fear of a ghost and everything. He do continuously कुछ ना कुछ work करता ही रहता है. He do all kind of works and all. And that is the reason he is keeping the animals in the house. They are makes fun of him because he is a very fearful person. He don't like darkness. He feel like someone is crushing with the cold hands. This is by the way, this is a very important rubric, my friends. Check it in the Kent repertory. Sensation as if someone is crushing neck from backside with a cold hands. So you can remember this rubric, something like this. Okay. तो फ्रेंड्स बोलते हैं कि he has a fear of ghosts. He feel like someone will crush from the back. So that is the reason he keeps a pet as a friend. He has a fear of going into the dark room, and someday all the friends, Cantharis and his friends, goes to some party in the cold wind, and after taking a lot of cool drinks in the cold air, exposed to the cold air, he suddenly develops the sore throat with a tenacious discharges, mucus, and sometimes he feel rawness and the burning sensation also. Slightly it develops something like this. And his friend asks in the morning, he goes to the party in the evening, and in the morning he develops all kind of a throat issues, rawness, some mucus is some sticky type of a mucus like Kali bicrum type of mucus. And his friend says it would be better to have a water and a coffee, then you will feel better. And Anthony says, no, 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 I don't want a coffee. I don't want a drink. If I drink a coffee, my pain will enhance. And moreover, I have urinary issues, recurrent urinary tract issues. I always fear whenever I get this throat ache, I get the urinary problem also. That is my fear. So I don't want to drink. I'm feeling thirsty, but still I don't want any drinks. And his friend says, why are you saying all these things? You can drink. It would be better if you drink some water. And he says, I have this urinary problem since my childhood. It is a recurrent problem. Something in my when I was in my mom's tummy, when my mom was pregnant, then she also used to have this type of a urinary tract issues. Now I am after birth, I developed all kind of things. This is one of the good medicine for the urinary tract infections or the inflammations in a pregnant lady. Inflammation of the whole digestive system, irritation, rawness, burning sensation present in this medicine. Okay. And because of this throat problems, and he feel irritated especially in the afternoons, and he goes to his room and he try to sleep. But the one more important problem is whenever he try to sleep, he get all type of sexual thought. He has the highest sexual desires, and his desire is so high, he's not able to sleep with this excess craving towards the sex. And his friend says it would be better to marry someone because you are not able to live alone, and or go to your girlfriend's house, because it is, we can't see your condition. Everyone makes fun of him, and he says, no, bhai, I can't do, even after having sex with my girlfriend, still I can't control this craving. Still I have this problem. Maybe I should consult some doctor regarding this excess sexual craving. And his friend says he maybe he's in his last birth, he might be insect, because he has all kind of feeling of crushed sensation like insects. He has all kind of a burning sensation like insects. He has excess desire like insects, and he always do some kind of a work, this work, that work, and he goes to that place, this place, but fruitlessly busy, just like an insect. You just see the common things between the insect and this Cantharis remedy, my friends. If you understand the state of the insects, you can understand the state of the Cantharis as well. Every insect remedy more or less have this burning sensation. Just read the insect remedies and you will notice the common things in the insects: fruitless, busy, and animal type of cravings, means like high sexual desires, and fruitlessly busy. These are the common things you can see in the insect remedies. You can see the same thing in the Cantharis as well. So he has highest sexual desire, and with this throat like a calibi type of mucus, and then he goes to the bed somehow. It is almost impossible to sleep without us having sex. So in the morning he develops, as he expected, he develops all kind of urinary issues. He starts shouting, oh my gosh, I'm not able to pass the urine, so much of a pain. And with this so much of a pain, he has constant desire to pass the urine. 1,000 times he goes to the washroom and he passes only few drops with a lot of a burning. His friend says, what happened to you? He calls his friends, he calls his doctor, and everyone in the family is panic, because his pains are so very heavy, and he passes a bit of blood as well along with the urine also small in quantity, sometimes are drops, but a desire to pass, urgency is so severe, constant desire to pass the urine. So his friend comes and asks, what happened to you? No, not, as I already told you, whenever I develop this throat issues, I develop this problem also, and I'm not able to tolerate this pain and this recurrent urinary issues and all. And his friend gives a Cantharis 6C to him and ask him to drink it every 5 minutes, and within a couple of minutes he feel better. And then after that he develops loose motions also. In stool also he feel the same type of a burning sensation. And this friend Kantharis says, I don't understand, my dear friend. Whatever may be the organ from top to bottom, I feel so much of a heat inside. In throat, I'm feeling so much of a heat. In chest, I'm feeling so much of a heat. In rectum also, I'm feeling so much of a heat. I'm feeling like something is boiling. But I'm very sensitive to the cold air. I'm sensitive to the cold air, but I don't know why I have this burning sensation inside. Maybe that is your nature, that is your insect qualities or the Kantharis qualities, his friend says. And after that, he feels better. After taking a Kantharis, he feels better and he says, now I will make a coffee for you, as you are asking me to drink coffee. I feel all my pains aggravate with drinking a coffee, but I will make a coffee for you, because he likes people. When his mood is good, he likes people. In afternoon, he contradicts with the people. Okay, then he goes to the kitchen, and in kitchen, while making a coffee, his hand touches the fire and all the burning and he again starts crying and screaming with this burning sensation. And his friend comes and sees the area. This is okay. I will put some amount of Kantharis mother tincture and the blisters will not form. And you can put Kantharis if there is no any cuts, then it would be better to put the Kantharis. If there is a cut, then don't put Kantharis. If there are any deep cuts happens, then you should not put the Kantharis, or else it would be better to apply the Kantharis. And he pours some mother tincture on that area and also gives internally as well. So this is one of the very important for the burns, my friends. You should keep this medicine in your home. This is one of the very important medicines for the herpes zoster, where there is a lot of a pain, neurological pain and the burning sensation. You can see this is one of the very good medicines for the burns after exposed to the sun. And his other friend comes from the hot sun and he says, see my friend, you are always taking care of this person. You are giving medicine to him because he had burn. What about my burning? Sun kissed me and see this, what happened to my face, this darkness. I develop all these eruptions in these areas also. Blisters also coming. What should I do? And this friend says, you also take the Kantharis, then you also feel better. I will take care of your burns also, not just the Kantharis burns. His name also Kantharis, actually, friend's name. So Kantharis ko Kantharis de deta hai. So his everything is happy, everyone is happy, and this Kantharis person has so much of fears. As I already told you, fear of ghosts and everything. He has a fear of mirrors also. Like sometimes he behaves like a dog, like a hydrophobia. He barks and he suddenly loses consciousness. Like sometimes the convulsions he develops after seeing a water and after seeing the shinier objects like a mirror. This is one of the prominent, important symptoms of the Kantharis. Fear of a water, fear of a darkness, fear as if someone is crushing with a cold hands, fear with the water, fear with the glasses, and then before convulsions, similar to the hydrophobia medicine, lysinum, with this urinary issues, whole alimentary canal, inflammation of alimentary canal. You can think of this medicine, burning sensation. Especially this works on the urinary organs and the sexual organs. Burn, that may be a sunburn or maybe a burning after touching of fire or fire accidents. If there are no deep injuries, then you can apply this externally. In herpes zoster, you can apply this externally. This is similar to that of Apis mellifica, like it is also feel better when putting in the cold water. Even there is a lot of heat in the body, heat sensation, he always feel aggravate with the cold air after going to the cold, exposed to the cold. So one of the good medicine in the diphtheria with the tenacious discharges of mucus comes out and all problem aggravate even after drinking a least amount of water. Drinking a least amount of water aggravates the urinary problems with a constant desire to pass urine, and this drinking a coffee or a water aggravate the conditions. So this is the story of Cantharis, my friends. Now you read the medicine from the Allen's keynotes in the Boric Materia Medica, and the mental picture which I formed in this story is also from the good repertories and from the Kent repertory, my friends. So everything which I shared in this story is important points. And now what you need to do is remember, listen this story one more time and just sleep. And after a 1 week or some days, you just try to write on, recollect the symptoms of the Cantharis. If you try to recollect, nothing comes in your mind. When you try to recollect this story, every point you can write by just thinking about the story. And at the end, if you see, you cover all the symptoms of the Allen's keynotes and as well as the Boric Materia Medica. Now pause the video and open those two books, and next close the books and just sleep. When you wake up, just take a paper and try to recollect this story which I explained you right now, and try to write down on the paper. Now question yourself how far my stories helped you to remember the Materia Medica of the Cantharis, and write to me. If it is helping you, write to me. My email ID drbmadhuri@gmail.com. And if you want to join in my course, then also write to me. It's going to start just in 2 days. Thank you so much.